Hey guys, my name's Quentin. I'm in my bedroom showing you two Craftsman garage door openers. This one is a half horsepower chain drive. It's a one light opener. It's a half horsepower chain drive. And that garage door opener up there is also a half horsepower, but it's not a chain drive, it's a belt drive. This one is actually an AC motor, but the other one is a 3/4 horsepower belt drive. The 3/4 horsepower belt drive is a DC motor, but this one in my room is an AC motor. That's my cat meowing for my attention. She really likes my attention a lot. I'm gonna show you the operation of this garage door opener, but first I'm gonna show you the model number on this one first, and then the other one, and then I'll operate this garage door opener after. This model number is 139.53930DM, manufactured of March 8th, 2011. I know I got a rare LED light bulb inside of my garage door opener. I'm using by the way, I was using an old Kodak camera, but I actually got it when it was used by someone else. And I actually got that for Christmas in 2023. I'm going to leave the light on. That's my Craftsman half horsepower. It's a belt drive. Here, let me turn on the light for you so that you can see the model number. It's a 139.54920, manufactured of September 15th, 2016. And you know, I got a Genie LED light bulb inside of my garage door opener. I'm not sure if you could see the Genie logo, but I'm trying to get my camera to show you the, the model number. I do have another Genie light bulb inside of my garage door opener. I don't see the Genie logo. Where is it? Wait, I think you can almost see it. Oops. Oh, there it is. I could see it. There's the Genie logo. I got 2 Genie light bulbs inside of my garage door opener. They do both work pretty well. But I'm going to be operating the this garage door opener with the those 2 remotes. They do work on this opener, the wall button and the keypad, but we're not going to be doing those remotes. But they still work. I got the Chamberlain remote hooked on. I got it programmed on this opener. I know the model number on this remote. It's 950CD, manufactured of February 2010. But that's our old LiftMaster remote. I got this remote on eBay. It was manufactured of February 2010. And our old LiftMaster remote, I can't quite remember what the model number is, but it's manufactured of April 2008. And the keypad is 139.53754-01, manufactured of January 2012. Not quite sure if you could see it. We're gonna start using the wall button first, but I need to adjust the safety sensors so that they're facing each other properly until the green light stays on. Because if the green light on the safety sensors doesn't turn on, it'll cause the opener to blink 10 times. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and operate the garage door opener with the wall button, and here we go. Still working. Now let's use the wall button again for the closing. Now let's go ahead and use the keypad, but I can't show you the code. I use the keypad to operate the garage door opener. You don't need to put the code in when you're doing the closing. I use the keypad to close it, but you don't need to put the code in. Okay. I got the Chamberlain remote on eBay, I think last month. And I got the old LiftMaster remote. Actually, my parents bought that remote when it actually came with the old LiftMaster garage door opener. And it came with this, but then I programmed it on this opener. But I'm going to be using the Chamberlain remote that I got from eBay. Here we go. Now let's do the closing. Alright, now let's operate the garage door opener one more time with the old LiftMaster remote, and then we'll actually show you the Craftsman garage door opener that's up on the ceiling. Okay, now let's do this remote one more time, and then that will be it only for this opener. But we haven't done this garage door opener yet. Here we go. Okay, I think that's enough for this opener. I'm going to give this garage door opener a break. I'm sorry that I can't use those two remotes, but I showed you that in the other video on my iPhone. But I'm actually using my Kodak camera to record this garage door opener, and now I'm gonna record it from up there, since we have not been using this opener yet. I'm trying to find the keypad. Okay, so I'm going to be using the keypad to run this opener, but I can't show you the code. One time the garage door opener, unfortunately in July 2023, this part right there accidentally hit the motor, and it made the motor got stuck, and it was going like, which I'm trying to mimic the motor humming noise. Okay, now let's do the closing with the keypad, and here we go. And also, you don't need to put the code in, only when you're like doing the closing. That's my cat Mira wanting to check out my kind of like, looks like my cat is very concerned about the garage door opener rope moving with the motor. Okay, there's the wall button over there. Now let's do the operating with the garage door again. Here we go. By the way, there is like a time to close. I'm gonna wait for 1 minute, and then we'll wait for the light to blink, and then it will it'll do the closing. Let's the garage door opener will beep loudly, and then it will blink the lights, and then start doing the closing soon. Whoa, Mira's very concerned. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. Okay, now let's go ahead and operate the garage door opener one more time with the wall button again, and here we go. Okay, now let's do the closing one more time with the wall button, and then that will be it. You're very concerned about my garage door opener? I was asking my cat Mira. Okay everyone, hope you enjoyed this video of my Craftsman 139.53930DM and my Craftsman 139.54920. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.